physics, God, and our relationship to the universe. Did God create the stars to control and regulate time for Earth? This is a brief look at a new idea involving how time may affect the realities both on Earth as well as for the universe beyond our solar system. NASA recently informed us that data from the Cassini spacecraft suggests that our solar system is like a bubble, moving in space. Time is a part of the fabric of this world and all that is in it. Time is woven into our physics. The way time itself exists and is woven into our space-time affects all of our forces and laws. What is proposed here is that God may have created the stars to control and regulate time for Earth, not just in the observation of their motions to mark time, but actually like a giant machine surrounding Earth and solar system on all sides that controls time itself for Earth and our solar system, and the way it is a part of our physics. The ancients accepted the spiritual influence in the stars. On the day of creation, when the stars were made, we find 6 time-related aspects regarding the lights in the heavens in one verse. Genesis 1, verse 14. And God said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heaven to divide the day from the night, and let them be for signs, and for seasons, and for days, and years." The Bible also establishes a spiritual connection with stars, and makes it clear that the stars have influence. In this example, it is God Himself speaking. Job 38. Then the Lord answered Job out of the whirlwind, and said, "Canst thou bind the sweet influences of Pleiades, or loose the bands of Orion? Canst thou bring forth Mazzaroth in his season? Or canst thou guide Arcturus with his sons? Knowest thou the ordinances of heaven? Canst thou set the dominion thereof in the earth?" The Hebrew definition of Mazzaroth is the 12 signs of the zodiac and their 36 associated constellations. God makes it clear that the constellations have influence, and that those ties, or cords, really do exist. Ancient civilizations also viewed the stars in a way that considered stars very influential as well as related to spirits. Could it be that this great influence is time? All stellar distances require time. The year has to be a year for a light year to be a light year. Time as we experience it in our space-time would be determined by the stars. We could not expect time as we know it to exist beyond our solar system. That means no distances to stars is known, because all distances assume time exists as it does here. Were the ancients right in claiming a great influence from the stars? And was the Bible right in doing the same? The answer seems to be a resounding yes.